of medicine and meditation, Matka Peer Dargah. When those suffering from an irrevocable, painful diseases are cured, it is truly deemed to be a godsend. Doctors, even with the aid of sophisticated and advanced treatments at their disposal, often fail to heal an ailment. This is when we beg for miracles. Dargahs are spiritual places to which men turn when all worldly hope is lost. One such destination is the Matka Peer Dargah at Pragati Maidan. Matka Peer Baba and his miracles. The Matka Peer Dargah is the resting place of Matke Shah or Hazrat Sheikh Abu Bakr Tusi Haidari Kalandri, who had travelled to India from Iraq to spread the word of Islam. On seeing a diseased man trying to commit suicide at the river Yamuna, he offered him water from his matka and the man was miraculously cured. News of this reached Ghiyasuddin Balban, the ruling monarch of Delhi at the time. The miraculous powers of the saint were put to test when the king sent him jaggery made of clay and grams made of iron. Matke Shah with a prayer converted these into edible jaggery and black grams. Beliefs and rituals. The footfall to this dargah is very little when compared to the more famous dargahs in Delhi. However, the few devotees who visit here bring offerings of flowers, sheets, pots filled with milk, jaggery and black grams. The entire premises of the dargah are decorated with pots. They are lined on parapets and hung onto the branches of trees. A group of Qawwali performers is also present, singing Qawwalis in turns. Sellers of offerings can be spotted at the entrance and an elderly person can be seen voluntarily safekeeping shoes of the devotees. Ambience. The dargah is located in a quiet area in Pragati Maidan. Covered in excessive foliage, the entrance can be easily missed by an inattentive traveller. Once inside, the welcoming aroma of biryani wafts through and greetings from the offering sellers are heard. Inside the dargah, the mind feels calm in the still afternoon, away from the hustling traffic right outside. Idea of faith. The Matka Peer Dargah offers hope to those who seek it when all worldly consolations resign. A small complex, although peaceful, reaches out to people defeated by illness. While instilling this faith in the visitors, the Matka Peer Dargah is home to a simple story. This story carries the charm of the simplicity of olden times. Such a history has had power enough to win the confidence of a king and subsequently of thousands of devotees. The dargah stands for the ideal of faith not only in the Almighty but in oneself. Faith, resolute and steadfast, is necessary for our very existence. Without it, we falter to even draw our next breath. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.